Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Sunanda Shetty. Welcome back to my channel Suraj Shorthand Academy. Today I will be teaching exercise 53. This is passage. Upon which foreign business is carried on, comma, but if you are to win your way in a firm which does business with the northern and southern states of America, comma, you will have to try, full stop. No businessman, comma, and comma, above all, comma, no businessman whose principal business is with foreigners, comma, can possibly leave this branch of economics from his training, full stop. If he should refrain because of a general dislike of the science, comma, he will surely suffer in the long run, full stop. The truth of this has been shown over and over again within my own circle, comma, and I speak for your advantage, full stop. The principles may appear difficult to follow, comma, and if you imagine the task beyond you, comma, it will prove so, full stop. But be brave, semicolon, face the plain truth, semicolon, and you will lighten the work and succeed, as you will deserve to succeed. Over. This passage is little big, but verses are very easy. Try to practice more than 10 times. Today we we have completed exercise 53. In my next video, I will be teaching exercise number 54, that also passage. If you have any doubts or questions, please put it in the comment box. Do hit the like button if you liked my video. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then do like and subscribe my channel. If you have missed my previous video, please find the link in the description box. Thank you.